Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust BMW X5 headrest. Start by sitting upright and locating the release latch beneath the headrest posts, then gently lift or press the latch and move the headrest to align the center with your eyes. Make small adjustments until the headrest supports the middle of your skull and neck comfortably. Finish by ensuring the latch clicks to lock the position so it stays secure during driving. In this video, I will show how to adjust BMW X5 headrest. Use only built-in controls and avoid improvised tools to prevent harm to trim or posts. Always check that the headrest locks with an audible click so it will not move in a crash. If the mechanism feels stiff, inspect for debris or consult a professional rather than forcing it. Proper adjustment reduces whiplash risk and improves comfort on every drive. In this video, I will show how to adjust BMW X5 headrest. Quick recommendation: if you stash lunches or parts in your BMW, those leak-proof containers make cleanup trivial and keep liquids off upholstery. They seal tight and fit neatly in console spaces. I find them oddly satisfying after greasy hands when adjusting trim, and they cut mess stress while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. And now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to adjust BMW X5 headrest. If the headrest moves stiffly or won't lock, first inspect for debris and gently clean the posts and latch area. If the latch is worn or broken, plan a replacement part or visit a service center to restore proper locking function. Never drive with an unsecured headrest because it won't protect you in sudden stops or collisions, and proper repair avoids bigger interior damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.